had another 5-star dinner, and the next morning, we boarded one of the world's largest yachts. This is the $300 million yacht, and it has over 50 crew members waiting on your every request. Tons of luxurious rooms and 9 master bedrooms. Oh my gosh.
Welcome aboard.
I literally can't see the top of the boat from here.
We are the 69th largest yacht in the world.
Is that a factual statement?
Yes, it is.
That is crazy. There are 6 floors, a massive pool, and a hot tub with a view. This is